Welcome to Spagtastic. In this lesson, we are going to learn about headings and subheadings. This is a level 3 skill. What is a heading? A heading is the main title for a piece of writing. It tells the reader what the writing is about. Headings begin with a capital letter. What is a subheading? A subheading is a mini heading for each section or paragraph. They tell the reader what the paragraph is going to be about, and they begin with a capital letter. Subheadings are helpful as they allow the reader to skim or scan the text and find the information they need quickly. Here is a text about kangaroos that has a heading and a subheading. The text begins with the heading Kangaroos, which is coloured pink. This tells the reader straight away what the text is about. Then we have an introduction to give the reader more information about the text. Kangaroos are marsupial animals and they are found in the deserts and grasslands of Australia and New Guinea. They tend to live in groups ranging in size from only a few to over 50. Then we have a subheading, What do kangaroos look like?, which is coloured purple, so the reader knows that in that section they will learn about a kangaroo's appearance. Kangaroos have very powerful hind legs and they can jump over 9 metres in one go. They have a long, strong tail that helps them to balance while they jump. They have quite a small head compared to their body size, and their long snout helps them when grazing. They carry their young in a pouch. Here is some more information. As you will see, there are no headings or subheadings, so it makes it more difficult for the reader to know what this text is going to be about. While we read the sentences, have a think about what the subheading and the headings could be. The Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert in the world. It is located in North Africa and covers several countries including Algeria, Chad, Morocco, Egypt and Niger. The Sahara Desert is over 9 million square kilometres in size, and most parts of the desert are uninhabited. Many types of animal live in the Sahara Desert, including gazelle, hyena, baboon and jackal. The Atacama Desert is one of the driest deserts in the world. It is found in northern Chile, a country in South America. Rainfall in the Atacama Desert is usually less than 1 millimetre per year, but some parts have never recorded any rainfall. Hopefully, you will now have worked out that all of this information is about deserts, so this is our heading. There is information about 2 deserts, the Sahara Desert and the Atacama Desert, so these are our subheadings. Here is the same text again, but this time you can clearly see the heading Deserts and the subheadings Sahara Desert and Atacama Desert. The information underneath the Sahara Desert subheading is about the Sahara Desert, and the information underneath the Atacama Desert subheading is about the Atacama Desert. Presenting the information with a heading and subheadings makes it easier to read. Here is a summary of the learning in this lesson. Headings and subheadings make a text easier to read. A heading is the main title for a text, and it tells the reader what the whole text is about. A subheading is a mini title for a paragraph of text, and it tells the reader what that paragraph is about.